In this video, we can find the transformation of variables with respect to, say, finding the overall sum, overall mean, and also creating the case ID. So overall sum is each and every respondent is indicated, their responses are indicated in the rows and questions are generally indicated in the columns. So when we want to study the overall degree of satisfaction or overall degree of, say, their agreement, all these things we cannot do through analyze descriptive, going with this descriptive and clicking the option called as mean or sum or whatever it may be. That is generally used to find the mean or sum for that particular variable alone. I want to find the overall satisfaction of each and every respondent. So I want the sum of D2 plus D3 plus D4 should come here, or overall mean called as a D2 plus D3 plus D4 here. So if I want to do that, first we have to go to transform, click, say, compute. For this we have to choose the option called as can choose the term called as overall sum. Overall sum. So we can go to say statistical to be clicked for using this overall mean, overall median, overall min, standard deviation, sum, variance, max, all these options. So now we are going to find the overall sum. So I can push variables inside, but we have to be very careful about the comma. So make the comma exactly after the variable, then delete this question mark and click OK. Now when we go to the variable view, we can able to find the overall sum of D1, D3, D2, D3 and D4 as the overall sum. When you go to variable view and change it to the display of 0, clearly we can able to get it 9, 15, 14, etc. This is overall sum. I want to find overall mean. Then you remove this sum and type it as mean. Then click this mean here, and push the variables here. So comma to be very careful. You have to be careful about the comma, and then type comma and push the variable here. Then remove question mark here and give OK. Automatically your database will have this overall mean. Likewise, you can find overall mean, median, standard deviation, what are all the statistical operations there you can find. So this is about the respondents overall mean, respondents overall sum. So all these you can able to find here only. When you want to find it for each and every variable, you have to go to analyze descriptive, choose descriptive and select the options here and then can do it. Okay, this is about that. I want to create the case ID. Case ID is generally labeling the respondents with respect to their responses. So if I want to do that for for solving the objectives of several statistical tool, I require this say case ID means go to transform, compute, type here case ID, then you have to click in the option called as all. Click in the option called as all. First one $case num will come. So when you click this, automatically it will go there. Give OK. Now when you see your data set will have the case ID. Can go to variable view and change this to 0. Okay, now you go to data view, you have generated the case ID. Thank you.